Download Poshmark today to start your business so you can earn $36,397.60.
Hey guys, I just wanted to get on here real quick to show you my little journey through my Poshmark experience since I've been downloading the app 5 years ago. If you're not familiar with the app, please download it and use my J Elise Boutique discount code, which will get you a $10 credit whenever you shop towards your first purchase. What I'm doing right now, I'm scrolling on my profile page and I'm opening up my Posh status and I'm just showing you my available listings. Don't mind that. We're going to block that out. In my self shares, the amount of sold listings I have sold and what I have made so far on the app without Poshmark fees. I'm sorry. And my days to ship, my average rating, my shares to the community, my direct shares, which it would be me sharing to other Poshers bundles, and the Poshers I've recruited. I'm going inside my seller tools right now and I'm clicking on my closet insights, and this right here this is a bad month. We're moving slow in May. It's 244, but I'm showing you my all-time, and this is what I've made on the app, $36,397.80 since I have been on Poshmark, and this is with the Poshmark fee. So this is before they took their fees out. I've sold 1,515 listings. So this is a great hustle if you're a single mom like myself and you don't really have a time to, find daycare or have family or friends to help you. Please get on here, guys. You're not going to regret it. I promise you. A few dollars at the Goodwill to start your business, or just get rid of some things that you have in your house. And they do have a boutique certification that you can qualify for once you meet certain criteria on the Poshmark app. What I'm doing right now, I'm just scrolling through and showing you some of the items that I do have currently available that are new arrivals. So please come and take a look and shop with me. And yes, today is F for Friday Fashion and Funds, which is a 25% off, $5.95 shipping discount that's happening for today and today only. See you guys later.